The best part of making money is that you can do it from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. You can make money while you sleep, you can make money while you're on vacation, or while you're out and having fun. Now imagine being out there having fun and checking into your account and seeing commissions like this. Yes, you can do it if you just go to... First, a disclaimer. Results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk. You might earn more, you might earn less, or you might earn nothing at all. But if you skip out any part of this video, you're probably not going to get same results as you see here right now. Make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you are interested in learning more about this strategy I'm going to share with you in today's video, if you want to make a full-time passive income online, all you have to do is check out my #1 recommendation right here below as soon as we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's see how we can do this and get started to earn commissions like this. Alright guys, so basically you can see here this is my Warrior Plus account. You can go to warriorplus.com and create a free account. Let me just refresh it here. So there you go with the proof. This is my account there. And how it works on this platform is that you can promote other people's product as an affiliate, of course. Now, this works from anywhere in the world, as I said earlier here. Alright, so when you have created your account, what you have to do is go to affiliate and you have to go to offers here because we want to get started to pick an offer to promote. So I'm going to show you here some tips and insights on how to do that. So if I scroll down here, you can see that basically these are very popular products. Here we have the launch date, when they have been launched. This is an example, an offer that I promoted here, the last days. And you can see here that this was launched 10th of December. It has been sold 2,000 plus products. It is good with a good conversion rate, which is 9%. Here we have the visitor value. The $30 is actually the average sale. This is also very good and something to keep in mind here. While this is pretty new, it is 1% refund rate. So it is a low refund rate here actually for this product. And it has a high pulse score. So this is a popular product, definitely something that you can promote. Now if I scroll down here, you can search, you can see here I actually waiting here to be accepted. So you might not be accepted actually on all offers. So what you have to do is you have to go maybe for products that have been released earlier here. You can see here, this is something with a recurring payment. This is very good also because you get monthly commissions for free as long as the customer purchases from this offer here. But let's open up something here, okay? Let's go for commission pages, for example. Deal of the day, it says here. So you can first off check out the details if you want to here, all right? Now you can see what this is all about and how you can make commissions. They do actually share everything in a JV page, which I always like to have a look at because it explains a lot on. You can have a look at the sales page preview, a JV document, some ready-made email swipes, so you don't even have to write swipes here. And here is Glyn, he's the owner and he's the one who launching this product also. But if I have a closer look at some details here, they do explain actually everything inside here. So you can get a very good idea on what you're actually promoting and how to get the most out of it. Here are some upsells. When people purchase this, you get actually commissions for these too. And they do have some contests, but we'll skip that for now because the launching period is over for this product. And now basically what we have to do here is we have to go to request the approval. Now this is important guys because I've seen it many times since I have products also here on Warrior Plus. Be honest here and say how it is, okay? So for me, I don't need it because I'm not new here, but if you are new, what you have to do is type something like this. Hi, I would like to promote this product to my list. And then you have to actually tell them, I'm new. I think you should be honest here in actually telling that you are new, because they will see it, okay? So when someone creates an affiliate account and it is new, it shows up when you apply for it. So make sure you put in some good content here, okay? So be honest. I'm not going to bore you here with this one. And then all you have to do here is just hit the request, and you will have to wait till they approve you. And when they approve you, let's go back here, you will see it will be just like this. So what you need to do is go and get your link there, all right? Now, of course, we have already entered our PayPal email address, because that is where we are going to get our money. So keep that in mind, and you copy this ugly long link there, all right? So we can actually do a link shortener now. We can go to Bitly. So let's shorten this link. Here is a cool tip. If you want to track regarding the promotion, you can just type broadcast, for example, here, okay? So you know what converts and what broadcast will convert, broadcast 1 or broadcast or email or whatever. So you'll be able to see this actually in the area, so you know you can track this really super easy. Alright, so now we have the offer. The next thing is we need, of course, the traffic, but what I do recommend actually to do before the traffic here is to have a landing page. Because I have said this thousands of times, money's in the list, you already know it, you need to build an email list. And this is exactly what I did here, okay? So I didn't do anything new at all, basically. Here is examples of landing pages. I'm just showing you real quick here. This is another one that you will see if you check out my #1 recommendation. And you can do this really simple with a landing page builder like ClickFunnels, and of course build complete funnels like thank you pages, bridge pages, and anything else. There is a 14-day free trial. I'm going to leave it right here below if you're interested in that. The next thing, of course, we need an autoresponder. Aweber has always been my #1 recommendation. I tested all the autoresponders out there. I've been a solo vendor since 2013. Trust me on this one. Get started with Aweber. They do have a 30-day free trial also, so it's definitely worth it. And you need to set up your follow-up sequence here, but you can also go ahead and send emails straight away. Okay, so you can actually broadcast. You can send 1 or 2 emails or 3 if you prefer that a day to those people that opt in. So there you have it. So far so good. Now regarding traffic, well, since Warrior Plus have actually make money online offers, the perfect opportunity would be solo ads. Now regarding solo ads, I've been saying it thousands of times. It works if you know how to work it. This is my site actually. You can see here I've been around since 2013. If you know how to do it right, you get sales. You can see here our conversions. So basically the secret is to actually be consistent with the strategy, okay? And don't just purchase 50 visitors, because then nothing will happen probably. But if you want to, you can go to a site like Udemy. This is probably one of the most popular platforms. I'm going to leave a link so you can sign up for free here to this platform. And you go to the section where it says find sellers. Now this is very important here. Got sales. If it is above 30%, I think it's a pretty good. And you can see here we found 26 sellers here. Now the price, I set it to maximum 60 cents. Niche, let's forget about this. It is make money online. So you can see here we have Igor, we have Wilfred, Kareem, Scott, Mauricio. Here is Tim, Jason, both very good vendors. I purchased from them. So you can see here there are tons of people that you can purchase, and all you have to do is basically contact these guys. Okay, so you go in here and you have your email swipe, your link. If you don't have, you can just message them and tell them that you don't have any swipe, and they will take care of it. So basically, as I said, go for minimum 100 visitors. I do recommend actually 200 in my opinion, or even 300 is better. Keep in mind that one day nothing might happen. The next day you might get 10 sales, 15 sales. So you never know. That's why you have to be consistent. One campaign might make you net profit. It has done for me many times. One might not make anything at all, but the cool thing is that you have them in your list here. This is the beauty with it. You have them in your email list, and now you can start to promote offers again and again. So if they don't purchase the first day, they might promote the next day, or after a week, or even after a month. You never know. So this is the beauty with it. Now, of course, if you don't want to go for a Warrior Plus, you can also go alternatively to ClickBank, for example. It works them pretty much the same way, but of course they have much more other products to promote here. But they also have a lot of make money online products here. So by checking in the e-business section, you can see Perpetual Income, ClickWealth System. These are all make money online opportunities. So there you have it. Simple 3-step formula. Find an offer to promote, have your landing page, let them opt in there, promote the offer, and of course you need traffic. That's how it works, and as I said in the beginning here, if you are interested to find out more about this, all you have to do is check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and make sure you check out my other video recommendation at the end screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.